Welcome back to Auto Speedster, your go-to spot for the latest car reviews, features, and insider news in the world of automobiles. Today, we're diving deep into the highly anticipated 2026 Chrysler Pacifica, a minivan that's not just holding on to relevance but pushing the boundaries of what a family vehicle can be. If you thought minivans were just boring people movers, think again, because Chrysler has redefined the game with the 2026 model. From the moment you lay eyes on the 2026 Pacifica, it's clear that Chrysler is leaning hard into futuristic design. The refreshed exterior brings a sleeker, more aerodynamic silhouette, with sharper lines and a front fascia that blends elegance and confidence. The LED light signature is completely redesigned, extending across the grille with a continuous light bar that makes it instantly recognizable at night. The wheel options are more aggressive too, with 19 and even 20-inch rims available on the higher trims, giving the Pacifica an SUV-like stance without compromising its minivan practicality. Under the hood, the Pacifica comes with both a refined V6 engine and an updated plug-in hybrid powertrain. Chrysler has taken serious steps in improving the hybrid's electric range, now rumored to hit close to 50 miles on electric power alone, making it one of the most practical hybrids in the segment. The driving experience has been fine-tuned for better ride comfort, quieter cabins, and improved fuel economy across the board. There's also a rumor that Chrysler may be testing a fully electric Pacifica, but as of now, that's something we'll have to wait and see. Inside the cabin, the Pacifica continues to offer class-leading space, but with more premium materials, upgraded tech, and an even more driver-focused layout. The 2026 model debuts the next-generation Uconnect system with a massive 15.5-inch touchscreen display that supports wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, over-the-air updates, and even integrated Amazon Alexa support. Second-row passengers now get independent climate controls, USB-C charging ports, and optional entertainment screens with built-in streaming apps. One of the biggest strengths of the 2026 Pacifica lies in its safety and driver assist technologies. Chrysler is pushing Level 2 autonomy here with an updated suite that includes adaptive cruise, lane centering, traffic jam assist, and a 360-degree camera system. There's also enhanced parking assist that now lets the Pacifica autonomously park in both parallel and perpendicular spaces with improved precision. As a family vehicle, it's hard to beat what Chrysler is offering. The stow-and-go seating still leads the segment, letting you fold down the second and third rows completely into the floor for a flat cargo space. And if you're a road tripper, the available built-in vacuum, Wi-Fi hotspot, and quiet cabin insulation make it a dream. The 2026 Chrysler Pacifica proves once again that minivans don't have to be boring. With style, efficiency, luxury, and innovation, this could easily be the smartest choice for families heading into the future. That's it for today's review. Be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a ride with Auto Speedster.